Welcome back to Balabas Gist.
700 Boko Haram to join Nigeria army. This one is happening recently. They said they don't send them go hospital after the rehabilitation center. They don't send them go hospital where they go check their brain and make sure say they recruit them, put for inside Nigeria army. Why for inside Southeast? So as it stand right now, they say that the security where Soludo create. These people now they buy people like say people no be anything for inside Anambra. This one they happen recently. We go bring the video go show na Mona see as it they go. As it start right now, Asari Dokubo don't cry come outside. They come to say that the Igbo governors in River State, he said they are not going to give them chance. So now I come they ask Kpâi people where Asari Dokubo they refer somebody like a same Fibra and Wike as Igbo governors and Ga-Achi and others who don't rule River State as Igbos. Why are the Kpâi people denying their ancestral home or where they come from or their origin? However, we go look inside waiting they go on now. We go play the video con show now. Mona know how we take the go. The first video where we go bring come for you here. Now waiting the Soludo security, whether they call Agune Chamber, whatever, waiting that they do for Anambra currently. Before we jump for other Ogbonge news, just stay tuned as we they bring out one after the other. Now the current situation, just like this Agune Chamber, is a new upgradation of what they calling it, Bobagu. You see what they are doing in Igbo land. However, let us bring you the video. May you hear waiting this Nigeria army using math talk. Make you hear them. He talking for this video. I will play the video. Just stay tuned and watch the video.
An ex-Boko Haram stands having laid his arms and comes back, turns his way away from his negativity. He stands to be a president of this country. He stands to aspire to any position in this country. Why is he wasting his time? Opportunities are out there for them.
Unfortunately, the topical issue in Nigeria is restructuring. Restructuring my foot. To hell with restructuring.
Una don hear am as he take talk am. Boko Haram can be a president of Nigeria, but IPOB members cannot be released in Nigeria. You see wetin dey go on? You see the kind injustice, and you, a reasonable somebody, will come outside and say, IPOB do this. I swear to God, your generation will never see good thing, because when you support evil, evil will follow you and your family will follow you and everybody around you. This is pure evil that is happening in Nigeria. Anybody that's supporting this evil, you must reach your hand. Poverty will reach everybody you imagine in this life will reach you. Because when you started supporting evil, this is what you will get. Allow the people who want to survive to go and survive. Allow the people who want to change their story to go and change their story. It don't put us together by fire, by force. When something happen in the north, it's no problem. But when it happen in the east, they'll come and kill people and go. And go scot-free. With the help of the government, they say that the east is and you will be supporting these people. When the election time reach, everybody will throw away what we face because you want money. You want him to win so that you will get your own share. You sell your conscience and sell your birthright, sell your people because you need money. You see what is coming out from Nigeria Army smart. Then what is the crime of mass in Kpâi? He say, hey, this thing you people are doing, we are no longer comfortable, we want to stay on our own. This is the crime of Kpâi. We need the freedom of our own people. But the people who come and bomb and buy people and go has not done anything. There can be a president of Nigeria. Why the issue in Southeast cannot be discussed anywhere? Who do us like this? Who do us this thing? I bet let's go and listen to another set of Iberiberism people. These people call Kpâi. That is the sum of Kpâi people that is these people is really Iberiberism. If it is the ex-governor of Imo State, you say it's Iberiberism. Let us play this video here. Asari Dokubo referring the River State past governors and current governor as in Igbo people ruining them. Why you will see an Kpâi man will come outside and tell you that it's not from Kpâi. Kpâi is not Igbo, it's from Benin. Why Asari Dokubo are calling them the Igbos ruling them? Let me play this video for you.
The John Nation. For 24 years, Igbos were ruling River State. 24 full years. The job people carried the power that was in their hand and gave to Igbo people. Yes, that magnanimity. Instead of paying back, saying that, they gave us power. They gave power to Odili. Odili gave to Amechi and Omeya. And that one, they went and brought the Rottweiler that has gone mad. He's suffering from rabies.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't listen for waiting Asari Dokubo the talk. In case of you don't know, he's referring to somebody like Nyesian Wike, Sim Fibra and Amechi and all past governors of River State who are from Kpâi. Asari Dokubo is talking to them. So you, Kpâi man, will open your mouth to say you from Benin. I wish you would go to Benin and stay there. My people, let me tell you, you see this is that happening in Nigeria, all because of to neutralize the Igbos, to dismantle Igbos, to destroy Igbo, to make sure that there's nothing like Igbo exists. Watch from now to a short time, all these things will come to pass. Igbo land, Biafra is going to be the where the whole world want to visit and want to go to. Watch what will happen from now. You that supporting evil, that land will be chasing you. I swear to God, that land you are marching and staying there and supporting wherever you are. If it is your blood, it's the blood of these people and called them here, the Igbos, the Biafrans, or Biafran state. If your land is there or you from this part and you're supporting evil, the land will chase you out from Igbo land. Just watch how it will happen. He say, my people, share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section.
Not forget to stay there for Balabas Gist. Here where would they bring Ogbonge news as it did happen.